Welcome to my Crypto.com review. Links are down below. Let's dive in. Crypto.com is a leading crypto investment platform, perfect for both beginners and seasoned traders. It supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, and over 250 altcoins, offering impressive diversity. Whether you're a casual investor, an active trader, or even an institution, Crypto.com has you covered. This all-in-one platform lets you buy, sell, and securely store crypto, plus earn rewards through staking and high-yield savings accounts. The Crypto.com Visa card lets you spend your crypto like cash, earning cashback rewards. It's more than a trading platform, it's a complete crypto financial hub. Fees are competitive but vary based on your membership and trading volume. Higher volume means lower fees. Their user-friendly mobile app offers real-time market tracking and on-the-go trading. Security is paramount. Crypto.com uses two-factor authentication and cold storage to protect your assets. Their Earn program lets you earn interest on your holdings. Overall, Crypto.com is a solid choice for anyone interested in crypto investing, especially if you want an all-in-one platform. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, Crypto.com has something for you. Check the links in the description for more.